Okay, this is another incident slash story that took place. This female, I told you I get clients who book my session. Sometimes they want small advice, sometimes big advice. So this female, she wanted my guidance or whatever. So what is the problem? Problem was, every guy that was friends with her, or every relationship, ended up where the guy just wanted sex out of her. They just wanted sex. They didn't want to marry, or they didn't want a long-term relationship, or generally she was just pissed off with all men. That men only want sex. And she was, she went on and on. Why men behave so cheap? Why men have such cheap mentality? Why this, why that, blah, 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 blah. Okay. I listened to quite some time. So finally, when she got tired of... Anyway, she paid me for my time, so I'll listen. So finally, I told her, okay, now can I suggest solution? Yeah. First I asked her, show me your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all the accounts. She showed me. I went through them. Next I asked her, show me the guys you dated. So she showed me. Now before you jump the bandwagon and say that, oh, she was a gold digger, no. She dated various kinds of men. Okay? Rich, poor, there's that. Not poor, means rich, not so rich. Okay. After seeing a selection, finally I asked her questions as to how did she select the guy, where did she meet him, what was the conversations like. Yeah, okay. Now this is the problem, and I'll give you the solution what I told her. The problem was, all the guys whom she met, or where she met, she either met them in a club, at a party, friend's place, outside. So she was meeting extroverts. She was meeting people who wanted to enjoy life and have fun. That is number one. Second one is, all the guys she was dating, I checked their social media. They are all like, dynamic, young, dashing, ambitious. Not necessarily rich, but guys who keep themselves physically fit. Alpha male. Fit, or amazing education, or, they are happening. Obviously, she never would take a cook or a cleaner. Because even she had, standards, like you say. And then finally her social media account was all photographs of her, obviously, but beautiful ones, really nice. I'm not talking of her showing just her cleavage or ass. No, it was nothing like slutty, but all beautiful ones, nicely taken. So I told her, see, listen, 1 + 2 + 3. Number one, you're searching for guys who want to have fun. That is the first problem. Because you find them in places, you'll not... let's imagine you found a guy in a church and he's a regular churchgoer. His personality will be different. Or someone who likes to work 24/7, his personality would be different compared to a guy who always goes to clubs and parties. The second one is, she took all guys who are young and dynamic and handsome and good physique. And see, who are the people who like to have a great physique, expensive car, and like to show off and keep their physique? People who love attention, who love to show off. So I said, you're targeting those people who want something new, the latest iPhone, the latest car, the latest fashion. So even you're the latest iPhone, but then your iPhone 12, next year he wants iPhone 13. Okay. And last if not the least, I told her, see, on your Facebook, you don't, thankfully, Instagram, Facebook, you don't show your boobs and ass and all that. But you are a very beautiful woman. And where there is beauty, there will always be mosquitoes who will want to suck blood. Like if I go into the forest that is filled with mosquitoes, I can't complain and say, hey, shit man, why the mosquitoes are biting me only? If I go like this without a shirt. So if I don't want the mosquitoes to bite me, I should cover myself fully. Maybe put an anti-repellent. And, maybe some lotion where it's poisonous. If a mosquito bites, they will die. you know, or full smoke and fire when I walk, then nobody will come. So I always tell people, see, listen, it takes two hands to clap, not just one. And last, if not the least, I told her, let's assume I'm with, let's assume, you know, I did business with one person and it didn't work out. I met another person, I started a business relationship, it didn't work out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after 100, all of them it didn't work out. Now, can it be possible that all 100 are bad people? Or could it be possible maybe I'm hard to work with? See, it's easy to blame others. It's easy to blame society. It's easy to blame he and this and that. It's very hard to look inside and take the blame yourself. And you know, I always tell people, when you start looking inside and ask yourself, okay, what can I do in order to change? That is where change takes place. So she didn't like my advice. She still felt that guys were to blame and they were acting like this. See, you pay me money not to get advice which you like to hear, but stuff that you you know, that you need to hear. Fortunately, luckily, this girl finally happened to meet a nice guy, you know, and you know, anyway, she's married today, she has a kid, and she has changed, and you know, she has changed a lot. She doesn't go to parties and all that. And today, you know, when we talk about it, it's more like we just look back and, you know, we don't talk about, oh, remember what I told you in the coaching session? No. When she shows her baby's photo or she shows the family photo and all, she's happy. Now, does that mean guys still don't chase her? Oh, yes, of course. She still gets unwanted requests on Instagram and unwanted requests on Facebook and all. But the solution is simple. You keep your Facebook profile in this private. Don't entertain people you do not know. Be selective who you surround yourself with. And ask yourself, where do you go out to hang out? Do you hang around with people who smoke and drink and do parties? Do you hang around with people who are serious about their careers and want to study? See, you have to take a little bit of personal responsibility, right? And things are changed today. So what I want to tell you is, you know, whenever a girl complains, why men are like this, oh, all men are like this, or just do what I told you. Remember, check their social media, see how they portray themselves to the world. Check what is the selection of guys they date. You'll see a pattern. And finally, last but not the least, who are their friend circle, who they hang around with, and you know, how they portray themselves. You go where people are all showing off and everyone's acting high and mighty, you know, don't expect simplicity and genuineness and authenticity. It doesn't work that way. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? Love to hear from you. It's me signing off. You guys take care.